that. Everybody always start playing now. There's our Boo Boy. Yes. Yes. Hi, Boo Boy. Yes. Always looking for food and water. Of course, they eat a lot and they drink even as much. Hey, little girl. Yeah, come on, Boo Boy. Come on. Oh, where you going? You're sneaking out. You're leading the trail for everybody into mischief. Nope. I'm back. There we go. Big bruiser. Yeah, you gonna get your butter? Yeah. Boo Boy. Boo Boy. Boo Boy, where you at? Let's see if. I hope this camera I'm not holding it upside down. There we go. Hey, Blue Boy. Oh, hi. I'm sorry. I meant to say hi, little white boy. Yep, he's got the green, but it's on the inside out, so that's the white male. White collar male. There's green blue again. I know. And that would be no collar male. And little sissy, of course, little female, who's just a seeming to be like mama. A stick chewer, by all means. She's going to be a little go-getter. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like Greenie Sinus Rock. Hi, Mama Bear. Where you going, Trouble? This little female. There's no collar male. I know, Mama. This two ran off. Come here, you guys. 3 of them ran off. No. Oh, sorry. That's That's Blue Boy. That Blue Boy. Yes. Blue Boy, he's not so cold today. No. Blue Boy, there's the green blue right there I'm petting now. Blue Boy was so cold last time. Yeah, it was cold out. It's warmer today, huh? Yes. I know. There's our no collar male. Yep. And there's green Blue Boy. Yep. Little girly. No collar again. Bring him this way, Mama. Come on, beautiful Wendy. Come on. Let's see who we got here. There's white collar male. There's Blue Boy and no collar boy. Where's my green bean? Where's Green Bean? Green Bean! Green Bean! This is blue green. Sorry about that. Blue green male. Yep. No collar. Hey, no collar. Can we see your face, please? Hello? You digging a hole? Nice. Nice, no collar. There's our little female. We're missing Green Bean, Mama. Green Bean! That's Blue Boy trying to suckle Mama. Oh, let's go find Green Bean. Green Bean! Oh, here he is. What are you doing, Green Bean? Green Bean, he's sneaking around quietly. Let's go see. Hey, you. Green Bean. Hi, we all come to find you. That's what we're doing, Greenie. Come on, Green Bean. Yeah. Oh, here's Mama. Be nice, Mama. Be gentle. Yeah. Hi, there's Green Bean. Yeah. All right, a quickie again. There's no collar male. Oh, here. Oh, there's white collar male. He's stringing along with the leaf. Oh, come on. It's white collar. Yeah, I know you see the green, but the collar's tucked inside out so that we have white. See? Yep. Yep, so this is our white collar male. I know. Try to take the best pictures I can. There's a white male. Yep. And no collar male. Blue green. Blue green. The whole pack. Except blue green underneath my feet here. There's green collar male. Well, you can see his color is green with the tags kind of hanging, showing white, but that's the green male. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Hi, Wendy Woo Woo. Beautiful girly. Alright, there's white collar male. Green blue on the right. Green here. Yep. Again, that would be green blue here. Big Blue Boy there. Sniffing out everything. Blue Boy. Yeah, different puppy today, huh? Hey, you guys going underneath the deck. Into mischief. Alright, that's okay. Blue Boy. Wholly different puppy today, huh? Yeah. He said, I'm going to eat your shoe now. That's Blue Boy. Yeah. Happy the lark. Happy the lark. Friendly as a baby. Yeah, it's like a baby. He said, I am a baby, Granny. I'm just a little baby. Oh, doesn't that feel just lovely? Huh? That's a camera. Oh, you want to chew on that too? I know. Here, Mama. We're missing one. Oh, here he comes. No collar. Trouble. 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 And there's the girly. There's our green male. Green collar male. He's more dark. He's going to be a blanket, likely. This guy here. Chewing on my hand. And there's blue, green. Taking on Sissy. Oh, and there's Blue again. Oh, Blue. Sissy's getting irritated. Here's our little girl. And she's going to be darker as well. Alright, there's some more pictures. I'll catch more. Alright, bye.